Hey there, thanks for tuning into Duckbricks. I'm Chris and welcome to LEGO Mini Reviews, the show where I review a ton of different LEGO vintage and new sets right here on the Duckbricks YouTube channel in a short form format. So I have a ton of Bricklink orders to get through as well as just associated LEGO purchases, and I figured instead of making a mega video where I go through every single one that's hours long, why not break it up into separate mini reviews? And so in addition to our normal 3 videos a week schedule, be sure to stay tuned for a mini review dropping every single day where we do not normally have a standard video releasing. I hope you enjoy, and let's jump right into our first pick. So up next, we have one of the more recent sets on this list. It's set number 60188. This is the Great Mine from the LEGO City Mining sub-theme of 2018. So one thing I've been trying to do, and you may notice this as a trend in some recent used LEGO hauls, I've really been trying to get a lot of the random LEGO City sub-themes that unfortunately for whatever reason I missed out on when they first came out. I'm starting to appreciate LEGO City a lot more. I used to collect none of the sets. Now I've kind of started collecting all of them, which is very dangerous for my wallet, but honestly, there's a lot of gems out in the LEGO City line, pun absolutely intended, that I really wanted to pick up for myself. So, first of all, there's one major reason why I picked this up. This right here. So, this black bear only came in this mining set for this color. There is no other way to get the bear in black, otherwise you have to get him either in white as a polar bear or in dark brown as a standard bear. But the black bear only appeared in this particular set. So, of course, to complete my LEGO Animal Mold collection, I had to get the bear, so that's why I have him right here. But there's also a lot more reasons to get this other than just the inclusion of one animal. Setting our bear aside here, this is actually a really well done mine. So first of all, you have some really unique mining equipment. Rotate the wheel on the side here to spin the Power Miner's wheels, but that's not all. You can actually tilt and angle the way this works. So moving your hand on the back here allows you to angle it all while the thing is spinning. So if you want to do some mining, you can really go up and down the side of a wall here, which is exactly what that is for. I'll demonstrate that in a second. You also have some vehicles which honestly aren't too crazy, but I just kind of like the style of these vehicles and the color scheme of the very bright red and bright yellow. It feels sort of realistic while still retaining the LEGO City charm. Setting those aside though, you have a full-on mine here with a train using the roller coaster elements. So this is a full-on roller coaster-like element train right here. So you're supposed to actually get the ores in here and move them along the track to go back in and out of the mine. Right here you have some dynamite. So if you press down on the dynamite, it bursts open the walls here with a lot of force, actually revealing some of the gold nuggets inside, which may also add the gold nugget pieces were introduced for this theme in particular. So they never appeared in any other sets until actually pretty recently. They recolored it for a Chinese snack in the Lunar New Year sets. But besides that, it really only ever appeared in this particular sub-theme of sets. Moving on to the back here, you can see that the mine is kind of a simple build, but it is a nice one to get. You can see going all the way back here, we have the ore being loaded in on the chute here for the different roller coaster elements, and then you can just kind of tilt them to pour them right where you need them. So what's really cool though is when you actually set up the mine to be used in conjunction with the vehicle. So let's drive our vehicle here for mining. You can see that you actually have an operator on the side there. So this is just a really unique and fun vehicle to get, and really honestly kind of feels like something you would see out of Power Miners. But the way this works is you get this all spinning up, and then you can really get this trying to knock over some of the pieces here. Let's try to knock that guy off. So we're lined up where you can see this a little bit better. You can see I can really angle this up, and then come on, let's get that guy right there. Yep, knocking off the ore. Let's get some of the ones down here. All right, just keep it steady. All right. Oh man, so this is just really satisfying to do. It's a really fun play feature just to knock the different bits of ore. They really just truly go flying when you actually use them in conjunction with the set here. So all in all, this is a really fun play feature. I'm really happy to add this to my collection, and let's now move on to our next build. Alright, and with that, we have summed up this mini LEGO review. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and do let me know down in the comments below what do you think of this set. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? And if you own it, what have been your experiences with building and playing with the set itself? Also let me know in the comments if you like this format of mini reviews. I'm trying to put them out on a fairly regular basis, so thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Like and subscribe for even more LEGO news, reviews, discussion, and analyses coming your way very, very soon.